हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज शुभम और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक डेमो देने वाला हूँ KVS PRT इंटरव्यू के लिए। सो इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर KVS PRT इंटरव्यू, सो द टॉपिक विच आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट is going to be very beneficial for all of you. So the topic which I have chosen for today is shapes, different shape, that how can you teach different shape to the grade 4 or 5. So यदि इंटरव्यू आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आपको ऐसा टॉपिक पढ़ाओ इन मैथमेटिक्स, so you can take the example, you can just take the topic different shapes. So how can you teach? As simple, we know about it. While entering the classroom, just greet like how are you, good morning, and all this thing. If they are actually saying that treat us like a kid, so you can treat them as a kid and just teach them wholesome. Okay, and don't hesitate at all and be comfortable as much as you can, because this is a success key. If you lose yourself that the whosoever is front of me, they are panelists and they are very higher than me, so obviously it may obstruct, it may create hurdle in your presentation. So जितना comfortable महसूस कर सकते हो, just feel at that time. Okay, because that is going to be only one moment where your whole presentation, your whole personality will be judged. Now how can you do is, you can just write over here just date and then day, and on the mid you can just mention subject, that is mathematics, over here, which is on the right side, top right side of the green board or white board, whatever mounted on the wall at that time. Just write down over here what is class, third A, fourth A or fifth A. So these are the good etiquettes. If you are just showing to the panelist, they will actually think about it. Now what can you do? You can just ask the kids, now tell me what did you have at night yesterday. So they will keep answering. Okay, just don't mention topic right now, just arouse some previous knowledge about it. Okay, so they will keep saying I had chapati, so just write down over here roti or chapati. What did you have? Okay, pasta at night. Okay, now what did you have? Chapati. Okay, vegetable, capsicum, okra or something. They will keep sharing like this. Okay, just write down main point about here. Like chapati we have written, then okay, what did you have? Bread pakoda as well. Or you can tell about the evening as well. Okay, evening, what did you had in supper? Like supper, when we what we take in evening food or evening snack, that we call supper. So we write down here, we can write down here bread pakoda. Then we can have, okay, who ate chocolate yesterday? Who will tell? Okay, you. Let's just write down over here chocolate as well. Pizza, did somebody had pizza last day or last week? I would say no problem. Okay, now let's write down pizza as well over here. Now tell me, we have written chapati, right? Now tell me, what is the shape of this? Who will come and draw over here? Just ask the kids. Now who would like to come? They will raise their hands. So you just call somebody's name. Okay, Sham, you come and just draw over here. What is the shape of roti? Now children will keep coming and just draw all the shape over here. Now people, do you know what are we going to do today? You are right. So it doesn't mean that you yourself only there, that you are going to disclose the topic. They can also, because they have got lots of things from you, whatever you have discussed so far. So shapes, yes. So today we are going to do different shapes. So now you have disclosed the topic, so you can write down over here different shapes. Now as you have written roti and somebody has drawn the picture as well. Now we got to know, do you know what do we call this? What is the name of this shape? Circle. You know about it, very nice. Now what do we call it? Circle. Okay, now tell me, what is the shape of pizza? It is also circle, right? Goal. ये भी गोल होती है. Okay, now tell me, what is the shape of, I have written bread pakoda, right? What is the shape of it? This way, right? Now we call this shape is triangle. What we say? Triangle. So 1 2 3, 1 by a triangle. Okay, now next one, I had written chocolate. Now who will tell what is the shape of chocolate? As somebody has drawn already. Who does know what is the name of this shape? Rectangle. Rice. Very good. Now clap for him. Now keep applauding the kids as well if they are responding. So panelists may think that he actually knows what are the parameter or what are the good things in the classroom a teacher should do. Now I told kids to clap for applaud for individual kids. Now you can just write mention over here rectangle. Now you will ask another shapes, no, not shapes, but you can take different example from particular shape. Example. Now who will suggest something so like which has a circle shape? Yes, plate on in which we have food, right? Something else, watch. Yes. Now see the surrounding and find some of the shape which has round circle shape. Yes. Now in this way you have actually give very good example to kids, and illustration are the best as you have chosen the surrounding of classroom, so this is best. Now the second is who will tell what can be the another example of triangle? Samosa, right? Bread pakoda is also written already here. Another thing, now in this way we can also share. Okay. Now next is rectangle. No problem, you can just teach over here only 3 shapes today. Now moving further, you can tell them like just in you can say that more shapes we will do tomorrow. Okay, you can take the example of rectangle. Now tell me what are the other shapes, what are the example of rectangle? As you can see in surroundings, so they can take the example of notebook. See, notebook has a rectangle shape, right? In this way. Or your homework is to just write down 5 example of each shape and draw in your notebook. In this way you have taught the topic of different shape. I hope इस तरह से आप पढ़ा सकते हो शेप्स को, बट इट शुड बी जेन्युइन कि आप बिल्कुल भी फ्रस्ट्रेट नहीं हो, ना आपको हेजिटेशन एट ऑल, यू आर कंफर्टेबल प्रॉपरली, तब आप अच्छे से डिलीवर कर पाओगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. कीप सपोर्टिंग, कैन लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू. स्टे ट्यून्ड हियर ऑन माय चैनल. बाय बाय.